Welcome back to It Dumpling with YumCrunch, where I turn normal dishes into a dumpling. Today we're going to be turning one of my favorite dishes, Japanese curry, into a dumpling. First we have to make the curry sauce, so slice a bunch of onions and saute it with butter. Once the onions are translucent, add garlic and ginger and cook that until the onions are nice and caramelized. Add grated apple for a bit of sweetness and tomato paste. Cook the tomato paste out for a few minutes, then add chicken stock and the curry blocks. Let that simmer until it's thick and blend until smooth. Add Worcestershire sauce, honey, and soy sauce and let that simmer for another 30 minutes. For the filling, combine ground pork, green onion, garlic, ginger, sake, mirin, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, salt, and white pepper. To give it more curry flavor, we're gonna also add curry powder. Give that a mix and place a teaspoon of filling in the center of a dumpling wrapper and fold, making sure to wet the edges to seal. Add the dumplings to a nonstick pan with oil and fry it until it's lightly brown, then add a mixture of water, flour, cornstarch, and salt to create a thin, crispy skirt. Cover that with a lid and steam for 5 to 7 minutes, then remove the lid and let the water evaporate so the bottom becomes nice and golden brown. Add the curry sauce to a plate and the pan-fried dumplings, garnish with green onion and some Japanese pickles, and that's it. Enjoy!